Hey, it's Ty again. I'm back at that new office park that we just bought, so let's go take a round and see what we've been making progress on. All right, so as you can see, we've made a bit more progress outside. We've cut down some of the trees, but the big thing is that our crew has been ripping out all the floors in this back building behind me. So they've done that on the first floor and the second floor. So if you're interested in some of these spaces and getting to tour them a bit early before they're finished, just reach out to us, send us a DM or leave a comment. But otherwise, follow us along for more progress updates. We'll see y'all later.